Hello everyone, I'm excited to share my revised syllabus and lesson plan. This version reflects improvements based on evaluation guidelines from DepEd, the K-12 curriculum, and the Matatag framework. Let's begin. Why revise syllabus or the lesson plan? Updating lesson plans is essential to keep our teaching relevant and effective. This process allows us to reflect and adapt to our students' evolving needs. This lesson plan follows both the K-12 and the Matatag curriculum frameworks, emphasizing inclusivity, life skills, and 21st century competencies like communication, collaboration, and digital literacy. I designed the plan around student needs, using scaffolded instruction and activities that cater to different abilities, learning styles, and backgrounds. These outcomes ensure that students are not only learning